Hello everyone, it is Michael today and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Windows 11 keyboard shortcuts. 1. First up, we have the trusty Windows key, often abbreviated as Win. Pressing the Windows key alone opens the Start menu. It's your gateway to all your apps and settings. 2. Now, let's talk about some quick access shortcuts. Pressing Win+ opens the Action Center. This is where you'll find all your important notifications and quick settings. 3. Need to quickly get to your files? Win+ opens File Explorer in a snap. No more digging through folders to find what you need. 4. And for those moments when you need a breather, Win+ minimizes all open windows and takes you straight to your desktop. It's like magic. 5. Now, let's talk multitasking. With Win+ left/right arrow, you can snap windows to the sides of your screen for easy multitasking. It's a game changer. 6. And for those power users out there, Ctrl+Shift+Escape opens Task Manager directly, giving you full control over your system's processes. 7. Need to quickly project your screen? Win+P opens the project sidebar, allowing you to adjust display settings on the fly. Combination number 8. Keys Win and T will switch focus to the taskbar. 9. Stuck in a cluttered desktop? Win+M minimizes all windows, helping you regain focus in an instant. 10. Accidentally minimized something important? Win+Shift+M restores previously minimized windows, saving you from the hassle of searching for them. 11. And for the speed demons among us, Win+R opens the Run dialog, enabling you to quickly launch programs or access system utilities. 12. Can't find what you're looking for? Win+S opens the search bar, allowing you to search for files, apps, settings, and more. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.